So in this video, we're looking at the knee spin with undulations. So the knee spin, so the knee spin is a very signature move that I have in Tribal Former Trap, which is my style of tribal fusion that I have in my school. It's based on the knee spin. I call this the knee spin. Previous video I talked about it a little bit more, but let's just quickly recap. So you open, this is my right knee, maybe it's your left, and a spin, close, and as this one closes, this back heel has to come to the floor. Open, close, open, close. And you just give it some swag, give it some flavor, find yourself in the movement. So you don't have to look anything like me, that's cool. What you're trying to do is find yourself within the movement. When you find yourself within your movement, then it's much more natural, and I promise you it will significantly better. Okay, so let's bend, and now we're just going to do undulations. So on that ring first, I've got lots of tests in my school at the moment that I've devised to test whether people are cheating or not, whether people are reaching their full potential in their movements. And a lot of people discovered they was not reaching their full potential in their movements. So I looked at how to help them with that. So there's a little test that I've got, but if you want to do the test, they're in my actual classes with my students. Anyway, so let's quickly go through the undulation. So try not to cheat, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. So your chest is going to go forwards, with the tailbone pointing to the floor. Chest lifts, chest goes back, chest drop, and then you're going to come down through the belly. I would like you to be as isolated as possible because of the nature of the movement. Because the leg knee spin is quite big, if you have a massive undulation as well, you're going to look a bit messy. So we want to try and consolidate, okay? So we're going to go forwards, upwards, backwards, downwards, up, back, and down. And then roll through. Try to find yourself within the movement and do your undulation as best you can. So there are many types of undulations and there are many ways to execute undulations. This isn't the only way to do it. There are so many ways. But I'm going to go for this type with the knee spin because I want to. Because I think it's better. But there's no rules really. As long as you find your freedom in your body and your movement to express and you're safe within your movements, I wouldn't ever tell you exactly that it has to be this way or that way, because for me dance is expression, and we all have different bodies, and we have different body types, and we have different strengths, and we're more flexible in some places than others, and it's different from person to person. So you have to find what suits you and works for you in your body, and then also the beauty of that is that you find yourself within the movement, which is what we're trying to do, or I would encourage you to do. And yes, in my school we work a lot on that. We work a lot on that, but anyway, another time. So let's come to the front. So we're going to just do open, close, open, close, open, close. Try not to be too high up. Let's do the undulations. Undulation, undulation. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. The hands can be quite free. Yeah, so this is a very signature move, or one of my signature moves in Tribal Former Trap. There are so many different types of tribal fusion, and every teacher has their own unique style and individual take on it. So, I mean, there's so much out there, right? And this is my style, so I'm showing you my style. Okay, so we just do, let's actually have some fun, because if you watch the other video, we did chest circles. So let's combine, let's do 4 times chest circles and 4 times undulations, okay? When you do your chest circles, I'm gonna let you be free and experiment with the body and the hands as you do it. Make it your own, and then tuck the undulations on top. So let's start with the circles. 5, 6, 7, and circle, circle. 3, 4, undulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle. 1, 2, 3, undulation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, enough. I might share one more with you. Let's do it with a slide minder, but we'll do it in another video. So, thank you for watching. If you like it, please let me know. write in the comment section below. If you want to come and train with me in person, my classes are here, Studio 339 in London. Otherwise, you can do them online with me via my website, which is melissabellydance.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.